The draft of the 20th Amendment to the Constitution, which contains the abolition of the executive powers of the President, was presented to Parliament by the JVP today. Chief Opposition Whip JVP MP Anrukumara Disanayaka spoke about the law not being enacted against those involved in the bond scam.
What is the current status of the investigations into the bond scam? Will the Special High Court take up the case of the bond scam?
The Chief Justice will reach a decision regarding this after the Director General of the Bribery Commission provides the details to the Chief Justice. We do not interfere with the judiciary. We have done what had to be done as the government and as the Parliament. We have established the Special High Court. We will set up another High Court soon. I am speaking to the Chief Opposition Whip. Please be patient. The three institutions, the Chief Justice, the Attorney General and the High Court will enact justice. I am certain of it.
We've been patient for a long period. 3.5 years have lapsed. The role of the former governor of the central bank, Arjuna Mahendran, was important. Now they have sacrificed perpetual trading and are hiding. Are you ready to provide instructions to the Attorney General to take this before the Special High Court? Are you ready to inform facts to the Chief Justice?
Investigations are being carried out by the Attorney General's Department. This can be taken forward after the Commission concludes. We will inform this once again, as you have suggested, to send it after finishing the investigation. The central bank has frozen 11 billion rupees of PTL. I think that is more than the loss.
The
loss is not covered just because you freeze the money. The governor of the central bank was a close friend to you all. He was appointed with your personal recommendation. You stood on his behalf in Parliament. There were reports that you met him in Singapore. I would like to ask whether you don't have a personal responsibility to bring him back into the country.
The crime does not get cancelled just because we earn back the money. The crime happened at a different occasion. The law is being enacted against Arjuna Mahendran. If he is overseas, the relevant action has been taken. The lawyers appearing for that faction have also asked for details. I saw it in the newspaper, but I did not read it. I do not have any connection with him after he left the country. My lawyers had instructed me not to do so. It has been 7 months since the Bond Commission report was presented, but nobody knows what the next move of the Attorney General is. A case about the MPs who obtained money from the bond scam are underway in the magistrate courts, and the names are yet to be revealed. It was the Attorney General who questioned Prime Minister Ranil Wickramasinghe and Minister Malik Samaravikrama when they were summoned before the Commission. Is the Attorney General hoping to be the Chief Justice? Is that why he is very keen on treating the Prime Minister well? All details of the Bond Commission report are swept under the carpet. Media revealed about the bond scam for the first time. The people might think that the first bond scam was the end of it. But no. There was another bond scam that took place, and it was more disastrous than the first. But nothing has been done about it. We urge the President to appoint another commission to inquire into the second bond scam. We ask the Prime Minister not to procrastinate these things. We'd like to remind the Attorney General that he is the Attorney General of the people and not of the Prime Minister. You are not the Attorney General of the United National Party. Your responsibility is to represent the people and bring those who stole from the bond scam before the law. The Attorney General should bring these perpetrators before the Special High Court and punish them.
විශේෂ මාධිකරණයක් දැන් පීඨවල තියෙනවා මේ විශේෂ මාධිකරණයේදී දනුවම් දෙන්න වැඩ කටයුතු කරන්නයි කියන එක තමයි නීතිපතිතුමාට තියෙන්නේ